Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network. With me, Dior Shaari. Hey. Okay. Actually, I want to cook for myself and also my friend here, Alex. He requests for the mee goreng. And I saw that I have these two variants at home. And why don't if I just do a simple video for the let's say the unboxing or the versus the difference between this for your information. I don't know if you are non-Malaysian and non-Indonesian, maybe you don't know about this product. This is the best product from Indonesia for noodle and for the fried noodle, okay, not the broth. So this is actually like a versus which one most popular. So let's do the unboxing and see the first different prices. Okay, Indomie, which is very popular, and both are very popular. 4 ringgit 90 for 5 pieces. In this moment, I show you. And then MiSEDAP is about in Lazada 6 ringgit 50 cents for 5 pieces. So mee goreng 5 packs. Okay, first let's see, we do the yeah, here for Indomie first. Okay, first Indomie. Okay, net weight 80 gram plus bar. So it's like this one. Okay, put it on this one. Okay, 80 gram, which is different. This is 80. This is, where is it? 90 grams. So 10 gram more for this. That's why the maybe the this one more expensive a bit. But we don't know. Let's look inside later on. So the difference is the front, okay, for Indomie and behind. Okay, I'm gonna open later on. And this is under Indo too. Okay, and then MiSEDAP. So it is now 90 gram and a bit expensive, just a little bit more. Okay, so behind, how to cook. It's the same thing actually, like the Indomie as well. Okay, now let's unboxing. Okay, now let's unboxing the we check out this Indomie. Okay, so now this the noodle. Okay, and then what pericang. It's called pericang. So there's I think this is soy oil, vegetable oil. Then this said bumbu sauce and chili. So here 4. Okay. Right. Okay, then what's that? Oh, the packaging actually, this one's like more like plastic overall. This one like you know, inside there's like, how you call it, the aluminium. You see, like more premium, more expensive packaging. Okay, then the noodle looks the same, just the same color. Yeah, so, but okay, this one got 1, 2, 3, 4. MiSEDAP got 1, 2, 3. So I think this is soy sauce, like sweet chili, and oil, vegetable oil. And then this is bumbu seasoning. I think it's like like a chicken flavor like that. And then bawang goreng, or the what's that, onion shallot, fried shallot like that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is more a bit more than this one. That's why I guess this MiSEDAP is more a bit, just a little bit expensive rather than the INDOMIE. So now I'm gonna cook and throw it everything together and see what's the different, the color and everything, and the taste also maybe. Okay, later on. Bye.